Just put baking soda in the washing machine and stop wasting money. You need to know this tip. Guys, look, even today, many people don't know how to do a preventive cleaning of their machine. So sometimes you notice that your machine is running too slowly, or even when you wash your clothes, a lot of hair comes out, and that's because you don't know or you're not cleaning it properly, okay? Sometimes you think the problem is in your machine, and you end up calling a technician and paying $150, $200, when you can fix the problem yourself. Here's what you do. Take a container and add 150 milliliters of warm water. Not hot water, okay? It's warm water. Put it in here. Now you're going to add a tablespoon of detergent, and it can be any detergent, okay? We're also going to add the baking soda, approximately 1 tablespoon of bicarbonate. And to finish off, we'll also use alcohol vinegar. It has to be alcohol vinegar. We'll use the same amount as the detergent. Just 1 tablespoon when I add the vinegar. There will be a reaction here. But it's normal. It's because of the bicarbonate. This mixture is very powerful and will clean your machine. So now we're going to mix it very well and wait for the foam to subside a little. In this part of your machine, regardless of whether it's 10 or 12 kilos, there will be this part here, which is the basin. This is the part where your machine hits, especially if you use washing powder in this area at the back. It accumulates a lot of washing powder. Look how it looks at the back. Over time, this creates a crust, like glue. And this affects the functioning of your basin, okay? That's why your machine slows down. So, here's what you're going to do. Take a sponge, moisten it here, and use the yellow part to wipe the back of the basin where the dirt accumulates. Where the dirt accumulates. You can go very slowly. Even if you're removing the excess, you'll go over the whole basin. So you've gone through the whole basin. Now the most important thing is that this area is considered to be the heart of your machine. For those who don't know, this part is a personal filter. You can remove this by pulling, you see, and all the hair on your clothes, hair, loose threads will be absorbed here by this filter, but it also needs to be cleaned. Here I do it every fortnight and look how it looks. Imagine if you don't, right? So you're going to remove this filter. You're going to remove all the hair that's inside this part. Where is the filter? It also ends up releasing some dirt. You're going to take our mixture, just pour a little on the sides, and then you come with the sponge, rub it in, go all the way to the end and make this movement. You've removed all the dirt from the filter. You can put it back. You're going to fill your machine to the lowest level and just hit it with the water, okay? This will remove our mixture here and will also remove a little more soap scum, a little more dirt that may have been left behind. Then discard the water and your machine will be as clean as new.